Hello, the next example is about finding an equation of a line. This time we're looking for an equation of the line where the slope m is undefined and the line passes through the point 1 and -2. First though, for the slope to be undefined, it should be a vertical line. Okay, because as an example, if you have, let's say, a vertical, this is the vertical line, x equals 1. And if you choose 2 points on the line, let's say this is 1 and then this is 2. So this point is 1 and 2, and this point is 1 and 1. And if you look at the slope of this line, the difference between the y values divided by the difference between the x values. So what do we get? It's 2 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1. It's 1 over 0. As you see, the slope is undefined. Okay? So as an answer of this question, this point passes through x equals 1. So the equation of the line that I'm after is going to be just x equals 1. We end this video, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye.